Nerve-wracking when I know the question farther before I answer because I'm more comfortable if I do not know the question. I do not know. That's really my behavior. But since it's a competition, I would like to be fair. That's why if you will observe me a while ago, I was singing because I want to be deep on everything that I would be hearing with all humility, I should say. But to focus in attention, to be honest, the question focused this way. Does the Filipino values towards social acceptance of us, the LGBTQ member, has a negative or a positive impact towards economic development and mobility, our social mobility? Let's tackle first the economic development. Of course, every one of us has its own belief. When you have your own belief, whether somehow you would say, I'm a conservative type of person, kuya, pabawas ng echo. Sorry. When you are a conservative person, of course, they would say that when you are selling a certain business and you're into marketing, of course, there is a negative impact. Why can we cater such things? But if your mind are wide enough, and definitely your heart is open, did you know that if there is a gender sensitivity in every marketing and business way, it's a strategy simply because LGBTQ community are totally skillful and they're in between their ears are totally above from what they call the normal heterosexual. Woo! So I believe that's not a negative impact. It's only how you will market, because we're talking about the economic development. Another one is the social mobility. When we tackle about social mobility, it's a profound meaning. It's not only literal. Hindi lang yun dahil sinasabi kaya ba ito ng mobile? Parang ganito yan. But if you will try to inculcate the deeper meaning of social mobility, it is of course how we would re-echo towards diversity. The people would accept us not only in the country, but you will be selling all the holistic personality of the LGBTQ. Did you know why? Yes, Filipino values towards social acceptance. I am positive and optimistic. We can. It has a positive impact. It's right time. Why are you here? There's only simply one thing. You patronize, not being entertained. You are hearing, nakikinig ang mga ilan, lalo na mga bata, mga matatanda, dahil hindi lang kayo natutuwa, mas hukab pa doon ang kailaliman, kaibuturan ng aming pusong na ipapakita sa inyo, anuman ang inyong paniniwala, anuman ang inyong mga problema, kami inyong tinatangkilik dahil may kakaiba kami na naiiba sa mga tinatawag yung tunay at totoong babae. Doon nagiging magkaiba. That is why if you tackle the question, would that have a positive or negative effect? Absolutely. There is a positive effect. It is only how we will be able to know how to perceive the Filipino values, tradition, and acceptance. Did you know that there's nothing wrong with being gay? But of course, if our marketing strategy and the mobility and all the people would only know who we are, the LGBTQ member, then we would be able to know that it has a positive impact. Remember that the LGBTQ member are very talented and skillful. When you're skillful, then you have the hand. And you've got the hand, you can work it out. After all, it's not about what we are questioning. It may sound cliche. We're not asking here about your total, your gender preference or your orientation. What matters most is what you can do to your country and what you can do to the society. After all, remember this, that the greatest equilibrium of life and judgment of life, it's not how you will die. It's how you did life before you gave up. So let's acceptance. You cannot accept, you cannot tolerate, open your heart, and you will definitely know why LGBTQ member, especially unique and definitely lovely. Thank you. Woo!